It's just like a performance art piece.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Music kept me calm. I have to be calm when I do that.
You are welcome. That's just an introduction call to get attention of everyone. Some people have heard this song definitely before, so they are familiar with it. This is not a spectator performance. Is a communal performance, is a ritual performance, is a solidarity and a way of learning and unlearning to heal together as a human and as a universe. So this is a bowl of clay. Unfortunately, it's not a food. So if you are saving your stomach for dinner, you are in the wrong place. So there is part of the performance that comes with a song. You heard me make the call already. That's the song. And the translation of the song is Mother, Mother. When you get to the top of the mountain and you hear any voice calling, know that I'm the one calling you. I think the translation would motivate and inspire you to get in tune and involved. So that's the translation of the song. And it was a song that I didn't develop it for my performances. I used to sing it to my mom when I was young, before she passed away. That is the way I stayed with my mom spirit until I was 30 plus. This is the only way I had a mother. So it's a song I sing from my childhood to my dead mom until then. And then one time I was performing, and it was the time of dealing with the anti-queer bill in Ghana. I was so emotional because my performances are really live experiences and have a lot of reflection whilst I'm in a performance. And the song came back into my performance, and I had to sing it without being prepared for it. And I realized that it became a source of energy and I would say holding space for me. So I started using it for most of my performances. And I like to involve my audience. Whatever healing process and journey you are dealing with, this song is for all of us. So I'm introducing you in the next 3-4 minutes. I know most of you are good musicians and choristers, so we are going to do that. So you listen to me, I sing it the first, and then the second, and then we all get. So you would be doing that with me in the performance. The bowl of clay is an element that you are going to use as a source of healing and embalming. So you are invited to me in the performance where you would be embalming my body with this. At each invitation, only maximum of 4 people can come to the body. You are all going to enter the room, but where the body is, only 4 max would come around it and do this embalming exercise. And everyone else in the room, including you, will be humming the song and be singing it if you can sing it. The language is Ewe, E-W-E, Ewe. That is the language and the ethnic group or the tribe that I come from, the southern part of Ghana. So that is it. So you are all going to participate in this ritual of healing, of growing together, of becoming. So that is it. My lovely assistant, if I miss any information I need to give, you can remind me, because now my head is plenty. So anything I miss?
Where to put the plate after?
Good. So when you finish embalming my body, you are going to see some kind of organic element in the space weaving around. So you leave the plate in between that, not outside of it. Outside of it is where all the other audience will be standing before invited into it. So once you are done, find a place in between these organic movements and just leave your bowl there. They are all going to be there, including the documentary film, so you can come back tomorrow to witness how it looks like without audience. Yeah, and without me. Even though I'll be on the wall. So that is it. Is that all now? Now, if you remember anything, don't worry. You can still come. So I would sing a song and we get into it. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Shall we all do the first one? So the word is na ye, na ye, na ye. 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 Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Again. Na ye, na ye, na ye. You are good choristers. Again. Na ye, na ye, na ye. Then you go. Na ye, na ye, ye. Again. Na ye, na ye, ye. Again. Na ye, na ye, ye. Again. Na ye, na ye, ye. Okay, now we take the two. So na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Good. Let's start. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. I think that I can open a church here. Good. Then the other part is ne doa gutuanu de. Good. That one is not in finish. The first one wasn't finished. Ne doa gutuanu de. Let's do it. Ne doa gutuanu de. Good. Ne doa gutuanu de. Again. Ne doa gutuanu de. Again. Ne doa gutuanu de. Don't worry, we will get there. By the time we finish, we will get a flight to Ghana. Again. 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 Wow. Again. Wow, maybe the LS came from Finland. Okay, so we are taking it from 1 to 100. And then we will see whether you mastered Ewe now. Na ye, na ye, na ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Again. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Ne doa gutua nude. Let's go. Ne doa gutua nude. Again. Ne doa gutua nude. Ne se baby diade. You are so good. I think the performance is over. You are done. You are all good. Was it a Finnish who wrote the Ewe? Yeah, it's incredible. So now, because you have all passed, and you have your PhD, I'm going to leave you alone. And we will see the manifestation of your PhD. So I'll be going inside, and then the assistant will take care of you into the room. But before I go, you escort me with a song and I leave. So I'm going to start. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Nenwa gutwanu de. Mesa gbedi diade. Nanya benyele uyo. And you can hum it, hum it. See you in paradise.
Welcome, welcome. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Ne do agutwa nude. Ne segbedi diade. Na nya benye na ye, na ye, na ye. nanya benyele uyo. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Ne dwa gutwanu de. Ne sagbeni dia de. Na nyamenyele uyo. Ne dwa gutwanu de. Ne sagbeni dia de. Na nyamenyele uyo. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Ne doa kutoa nude. Neze kwedi diade. Na nya benyele uyo. Na nya benyele uyo ne duha gudwa nude neze beri diade na nya benyele uyo Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, na ye, ye. Na ye, na ye, ye. Bedu hakutua nude nese kwedi diadelo na nyame nyele oyo diadelo Nanya benyelo yo Nedu hakutuanu ne Neza kwani diadelo Nanya benyelo yo Na ye na ye na ye me dois toi nous de ne se beligya de na nya venye yo na ye na ye na ye ye na ye na ye ye na ye na ye na ye ye na ye na ye ye me dois toi nous de ne se gadi biade na nya benye le yo ne dois toi nous de Buduanude, Nesaberi Yadelo, Nayabelo yo, Nedu Buduanude, Nesaberi Yadelo, Nayabelo yo, Naye, 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 yeah. Naye, 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 Nedo habutuanure, neseweri diadelo, nanyabenyelo yo, Nedo habutuanure, neseweri diadelo, nanyabenyelo yo. Nah, yeah.